Now using my cabinet maker scraper, I'm making sure there's no little crap here, because I'm going to install the a wooden block so I can bend this. Alright, so now I have the thickness of the steel that will end up there. I have my block, it will hold there securely. I'm going to pre-drill. Now using the plan, I'm able to, which is full size, I'm able to align the holes and draw the bend line. Looks good. I know I'm a lazy guy and I don't like doing things twice, so I'm making sure there's a right and a left. Right, done. Now using a caliper, I'm aligning these two together. Now I'm confirming the two parts that will align together, make sure they're parallel to each other. All good. Bit of hammering here and there. It's good. Engine mount bolt and the forward landing gear holder fitting. And now I'm using a set of just ordinary bolts so I can just test fit everybody in place. So either 5/16, a quarter, or whatever. And then I'm going to be drilling the holes using the actual fitting as a jig. So using a transfer punch to help guide the bit. So I decided to go with this setup for putting a small indent. So just a small hexagonal 1/4 inch bit. So it's very easy to visually look and make sure you're at 90 to begin. Alright, now another spacer, which is 2 millimeter, 1.5 on the side and 2. And now I can mark where I want my bend line. And the angle is on the plan. Alright, as usual, angle with some hammering. So there we have it, with the correct angle in there. And then thanks to Ian's really cool water jet cut parts, this one he has made it longer. So I just need to mark this here, bend it, make it fit with this guy, weld it, and in due time I'll just drill these holes in the wood and then I'll make him perfect. Right, so now I can clamp this with a metal clamp, very serious clamp, and I can drill the hole and put a bolt in there so I can get it to the welder. Alright, now it's secured in place. I drill the hole, put a dummy bolt in there, extremely tight. I draw on it, I'm gonna cut it out and then weld. Bit of grinding. Okay, I made an error here. I drilled a hole at the wrong place, so I used the dowel, just sanded it so it was going to be a round dowel. So I'm just gonna cover this in glue and stick it back in there, and then I'm gonna re-drill the correct area. I only have one, so not that worried. The other two are perfect. So for filling the holes in here, the hole in here, I'm going to use some high density powder, which is specially made for when you have high loads on the glue. Alright, so there it is, filled with the epoxy with the high density. Obviously I'm going to flush cut it and re-drill. Alright, so there's my fix with the epoxy and the plug. Of course I bolted everybody together tight, and then I was able to slowly drill it back in place.